The United Nations Security Council has given unanimous approval to a resolution calling for improved access to coronavirus vaccine in conflict-hit or impoverished countries. In Haiti, 25 people were killed in a violent jailbreak near the capital Port-au-Prince. Myanmar UN ambassador appealed to the world body for action to stop the coup. Saudi Arabia categorically rejects the US report on the murder of Jamal Khashoggi. Russia reports 11,534 new COVID-19 cases and 439 deaths. A nighttime vaccine drive is reportedly being planned by the UK government during Ramadan. Indonesia finds weapons on impounded Iranian tankers. Bahrain announces extensions of Covishield AstraZeneca dosing intervals.